In the great forest, every promise had a shadow, and one tiny bird was about to learn that some truths cannot stay hidden forever.
But hidden beneath the beauty of the great forest, some creatures were fighting silent battles.
Kiki looks hungry again.
At this point, even the ants are richer than him. Can you two gossip somewhere else?
Brother, take my seed.
Pride can survive hunger for only so long. Eventually, even the smallest wings must seek help.
You're really going to Tiger? I don't have a choice anymore. People say Tiger never forgets debts. Then I'll make sure I repay him.
And so, with fear in his heart and hope on his wings, the tiny bird flew toward the most powerful creature in the forest.
Visitors at night usually bring problems. Let him speak.
Big Brother Tiger, I need help badly.
How bad?
Give me time to grow stronger. I'll repay every seed.
Promises sound beautiful when someone is desperate.
Enough!
A friend deserves trust.
Thank you! I swear I won't disappoint you!
We'll see.
Trust is easy to give when kindness speaks louder than doubt. That night, one creature carried relief, another carried faith. Neither knew what time would reveal. Seasons changed. Trees grew taller. The forest moved forward. But Kiki remained exactly the same.
Kiki still owes Tiger? Years now. Strange thing is, that bird never grows.
And for the first time, doubt entered Tiger's heart.
Never grows. I warned you something felt strange. I need answers.
The river already knows why you came.
Then tell me the truth.
Visit the bird's family, then watch carefully.
The old crab had said little, but sometimes truth whispers louder than explanation.
Brother Tiger! What a surprise!
I came to meet your family.
My family?
Is there a problem?
And within those branches, the truth had already been waiting.
Welcome, traveler.
You're the grandfather?
Yes.
But you're still tiny. Our family never grows bigger. So Kiki knew all along.
You promised something impossible.
I needed help!
Then you should have told me the truth!
You went behind my back! You questioned Krabu!
Because you kept avoiding me!
You broke my trust!
Trust. You asked me to believe in a future you knew could never happen.
I didn't know what else to do.
When guilt becomes heavy, even honesty begins to sound like betrayal.
And the forest never forgot. Promise only what you can truly become. Because some truths never change.
Some lessons arrive too late, but the forest remembers them forever.
And so, the forest carried the story forward through whispers of the trees, songs of the river, and secrets hidden.